Okay, phylum Arthropoda, Grasshopper. Recognize the function of, what is it, 8 different structures here. Largely this is just, look at the diagram and memorize them. Antenna, compound eye, quite simple. The head, right, is the smallest of the 3 major segments on an arthropod. The thorax is basically from the head back, these segments that contain the 3 pairs of legs. Okay, so grasshopper is a hexapod. It's a 6-legged organism, and we see that those 3 pairs that I always do attach to the thoracic section. So thorax is from the head back. We see the 3rd pair of legs attaches here, and then so this would be the abdomen, abdominal, thorax, and the head. You'll see things like caterpillars have a bunch of pseudopods that actually come off of their abdomen, but they will still have 6 walking legs on the thorax. Other thing you see on the abdomen are these little spiracles, which are the openings to their respiratory system, as we'll talk about in lecture. Insects don't breathe through their mouth into any kind of lungs. These would be the external openings that they get air, oxygen through. Almost all insects have wings, and most of them have 2 pairs of wings. So this is the forewing and the hind wing. Okay, and then on the back of a female grasshopper, we'll see the ovi, or egg depositor. Okay, this is a structure that's used for depositing eggs. So let me just show you a couple quick videos. This one shows these fore and hind legs in really neat detail. You'll see the grasshopper takes off, and those wings are folded back, and the forewing actually covers the hind wing. The forewing is sort of tough. The hind wing is very membranous, and you'll see as the butterflies or grasshoppers jump, those hind wings unfold, unfurl. I don't know if these guys jump. Yeah, watch this guy. Uses the legs, spreads his forewings, unfurls the hind wings, right, and take to flight. Thorax, abdomen, head. Okay. Ovipositor. Check this out. This is really interesting. This is not a grasshopper, but it's an orthopteran, katydid. Here's the legs, abdomen. On the back of the abdomen, this species has particularly long ovipositor, and you'll see her sort of using her muscles to work the ovipositor down into a plant or substrate. Sometimes they'll do this into a piece of wood, right? And once the ovipositor is inserted, she then injects the eggs into whatever kind of substrate she uses for egg laying. So there are some wasps that do this, and they inject their eggs into caterpillars. So ovipositor is not really unique to grasshoppers. There's a different type of field grasshopper.
And it became obvious.
See the ovipositor back on the tip of the abdomen. There's the forewings spread over the hind wings, and she is just burrowing down into the soil to lay her eggs. And those ovipositors are helpful in that process. Looks like he's missing one of his legs here, or she is missing one of her legs rather. Yeah, the jumping legs. So that's the ovipositor. Okay. Again, found here on the posterior end of the animal.